So welcome back. New progress, hopefully, on the 5-axis. I printed a nut holder here for the moving X carriage plate because the offsets are not quite, and I can adjust this enough. Yeah, let's see how it goes. But yeah, it'll probably be mostly time lapse this. So have fun. True. Um, right. Might just make this an unedited video because I really don't like video editing, and it's fun. So let's see. Yeah. Yeah. So, hey, oh, hey. Yeah. Sorry. Okay. 6 millimeters. Good. Yes. All right. T2. So, I think it'll work. M6 screws, metric. So, I never look at scale because I'm used to metric. I have a M5 threader here and M5 drill here of 4 and no 5 because it's usually one pitch. So I'll use this one. I was wondering if I should take a smaller one first. I can do that. Let's see. Just need to punch it with this terrible punch. Maybe if I duplicate it a little bit. Now we're out. Good. Okay. Terrible. Do something about this. Well, that was wasted money. Back to it. Big hammer, works every time. Again. This I don't need it. Back in line. Let's see. clean up time. Did I fuck up? Ah, F5. Ha! Det går man. This is 6 maybe. 5. M6. Okay. Not the greatest because they tend to flip, but let's try it. I've used them many times before, but they do tend to slip. Let's see. Sometimes works. No. Let's get a regular winch thing. Finish up by hand here. Should be. Think about it. Should be fairly easy. Take the top ones. I was wondering if I should buy one of those drill tab arms. They seem to be good, but I don't know, maybe take it by hand the first part and then see if we can just use it too. This one's slipping here. Yeah, I really don't need to thread them all the way through. It's just easy. Well, it could have been easy with the power tools. Let's give it another go. It usually works. Maybe I need to lube more. Or maybe put it out here so it doesn't slip that much. Maybe. Doesn't seem quite right, but let's give it a go. You always fear breaking tabs like this. I say that's enough printing for that one. Let's see. Yeah, definitely enough. Maybe a bit on the smaller. Oh, let's say stop it here. Good. Let's clean up a little bit. One of them fell down. So there we go. Both fell down. Okay. So just check, see if they will actually match. Okay. That match. That can match. Let's just try and see how it goes. One that way, I think. Yeah. Let's go. Okay, so this should line up here and then in there. Put that in there. Yeah, okay, let's do that. Should probably have measured all the board folds and such to see if they actually fit too, but yeah. Bam, 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 bam. There we go. Good. Let's see. A little bit far away, that one. Angle it a little bit. Not great, not great. Let's see the other side here. Ah, igen. Got it. Okay. Okay, a little bit off maybe. Fiddly. So, let's see. Should put on. This is just plastic holes, so there are no threads in this or anything. So let's just pre-check them a little bit. Yeah, that's probably what it was. Yeah. You can see in the plastic I tried pushing in next to it, but parallel next to it. So maybe it's okay. If not, we'll just expand the holes and make it happen. If you can make it correct, you can make it adjustable, something like that. Yeah. It's crazy to think that this is now a normal thing to just, easier to 3D print this. Isn't that crazy? I have 2 3D printers. And it wasn't expensive ones at all. It's like bamboo A1s, so great printers. Works very good. So yeah. Never been asked to sponsor anything, so I would like. I'm kind of envious as a YouTuber, like, oh yeah, they just sent this over this like newest H2D or what it's called, bamboo printer. So, yeah, but that's how it is. Can't all be winners, but at least I'm having fun. Let's see if this helps. Could also just chamfer the hole so it's easier to like a funnel in. Yeah, could do that. There we go. Actually, done with those. Where was my? Did I? What? There we go. Just do it by hand. This is too big for a small hook. Let's see if I have a small one here. Actually, I think it's for wood, this one, but it's pretty sharp. So. Yeah, that works. Let's take the burrs off and do a little chamfer here. PLA plastic is very forgiving in this way. So, all right, let's see which one way do you want this. Doesn't really matter, does it? Come to there, or a little bit closer on that one. Yeah, we'll do that like that. So let's see. So now that catch on quite easily. Let's see. This side. Little bit good. I might be able to get it. The slub in the holes. Not a slop, it seems. Yeah. Okay. So we do a little nasty trick here. The heads have a lot of wiggle room here. So we can expand the holes a little bit to give them a little more space. Could even just take 3.5 point drill and then put it in. Then you should give me a 0.5 millimeter more wiggle room So let's try that. If you are on all, we have 1 millimeter more wiggle. Finish charging this. All right. Now I can move a little bit. When the pressure from the screws comes down, it should pretty much limit that one. Let's see. And there we cut on with the other one. Let's make one side. No, let's just do it like this because I need the wiggle to just see what's going on the other side. So this one in. Come on. I have no idea. Side. Or the lot on the side. What's going on there? Why? Offset from one side to the other. Ah, okay, yeah, maybe that's it. Just. Cut on there. Let's see if we can get the other one also. Just look at it and see what the hell's going on here. I need to take this out and see. Okay, so that's the hole right there. And then what's the other one? I think this hole is too far out. Let's see if we can change that at a later point. Right now I'm just going to put one screw in. As long as the other one has two, I think it'll be fine. It's a little bit of a terrible solution. Yeah. I think I might, as it's plastic, can take a small, maybe 2 millimeter drill and drill a new starting hole and then just let it cram in there with the plastic because I made the infill not at all dense but enough so it can move a little bit around but tighten if I miss the hole a little bit. So maybe that's fine. I was just see. I don't think I'll try that right away because seems like an idea. Alright. 2.5 millimeter drill. That one here. I use it for other holes in this project. I don't really remember which ones now, but I do. So, here's one. Everything's tight. Yeah. This was just the side of the hole. I'm pretty sure I can mangle in it now. Okay. But of course it doesn't take really much talent to mangle something in. Yeah, this works. Ta-da! It's there. So let's fit in the rod and see if I can at any way tighten it in there. Yeah, I can probably do it like this. Can you see that from that angle? Yeah, you can see that's fine. So, well, shit, that's more crooked than I expected. Why? Why is that? What the? But this is terrible. Absolutely terrible. I need a new brick here, I think. Do the same trick here? Probably can. Let's do that. So, this one in here is a different. I think it's this one. No, it's this one. Let's be honest. I'm a control freak. I know what I'm doing most of the time. So now that's connected, and this goes there. Good. Good. That on this. Let's see if we can. What the? This. Oh, this is absolutely terrible. This makes. So that was straight. Something else that's crooked. Maybe it's even the plate. So that comes up there. That's fine. That's. Okay, that's terrible. Did I choose the wrong plate? 111. 111. That's fine. Long one for that one. So, plate. Even, probably even scale. Even what do you call it? Square. Good. So my holes are terrible. Why are my holes so terrible? This one, that side is good. And even comes to all the other ones in. How about this side? This looks so crooked. It is so crooked. Let's go. Send off that hole. It doesn't look crooked. So those holes are there. Okay. You need to see it from this angle. This is absolutely terrible. You can probably even see it when it, especially when I go in and out here. You can see it's like distorted that way. So like, I can compensate for it when I use the programs and so on. I really would like it to be more straight because I have no idea why it isn't. Is it is the motor on sideways? Nope, that seems fine. Oh, it's very terrible up here. Come check this out. You see that? It's over here. That's weird. That's weird. Well, if I know anything about myself, is injured. Still in a good mood. Oh, it's okay, but it's weird. I'll take this one out and then see if I can just align it straight, and then maybe it presents to itself. Why? How? Oh, is this one over here? Maybe. Maybe I should just print some new blocks on there and compensate for that hole. That would probably be easy. Yeah. Okay, so that was weird. Why did it? Okay, the holes in this. That's weird. Okay, let's pull this one, and then take it off the ankle now. What was it? Oh, I need that to hold the thing in. Oh, anyway, just for now. Take them off later when I limit it. Okay, so the holes are not lining up. I can put this straight on. I need to start limiting some angles here. And I think the block here, that's the right call, because that needs to be straight down, because that's the line with this one. I can adjust it there if I want. So let's try to take that one. See, yeah, already better here, but then we have some slop here, and I can correct that. Even use the plate here to align it up and see what's what. Yeah. Okay, so this and this over here. All right, maybe. Just do that. 2.5 millimeter trigger. That worked quite well. Maybe it worked, or maybe just destroyed everything for me, but let's see. Yeah. I felt it falling into the original hole, but I might be able to just stick it in there and then. Yeah, maybe. It's not great. What about over here? It's probably not even a hole. Okay, so that aligns with the original hole. That's quite good. Probably that one I messed up with somehow. Let's see. Yeah. That was it. So this hole put the hole out of line. I should have known that it just didn't feel like it, but yeah. Okay. Let's put on the hoodie thingy. That's one. See if it works. If I put the holes in correctly on this one. And I can use a bigger tool for this one, which is nice. There we go. Wait with you. Yeah, baby. Ooh. Well, that's one. One of put the directly over and see. Already trouble. What's the trouble? Just pull this up so I can adjust and see. Yeah, too close. And god damn it. So let's see if I can put this in. Okay, so I compensated in my measurements for this, I thought, but not good enough. And this won't do. Oh, that's trouble with these. I might. Maybe this one is fine. That one is fine. Maybe it's just a one hole, and it's just a one hole I can deal without. I think so. You see, this is the trouble being a hobbyist, because it costs money to make it right, but it's a bad excuse. I'm just lazy. Maybe I'll do it. I have used only what I have in stock of all my materials here, so yeah. Let's see how bad it is. Should be able to just take this out and see it. Yeah, that's pretty clear. Let's see. This too far out here. Just put it in. Well, it is what it is. Let's just get you up higher here. Look down. Yeah. Well, okay. So, can't do anything about that. Maybe I'll just do it without for now, and then just maybe make a new plate where the holes are more correct, all of it. Because there was a lot of errors. Like it never happened. So this one holds down everything, to be honest. This one is, where is the spindle? Where did I put the spindle? Where did I put it? Right here. You can see that over the lathe. So this one, I was thinking should be like here, and then do some wiring later. Do that behind there. Then put this on there. Been watching a lot of Little Britain. Huh? Huh? Ooh, let's get it started, yeah. I need to move it forward because this, yeah, I also cut this off. And all the finishing details and so on, so on. But yeah, really nice. Good days, well, let's go. Formiddag in Danish, what's that? Morning, before noon, I don't know. Anyways, so far for now. I may adjust some things here and then move on to the Z and AB axis. The Z axis, pretty standard, just box. I can figure that all out. The B axis rotating should be easy too. The A axis, that's a little more tricky, also connected to the C axis there. But we'll see. So thanks for joining me. I might even do this as a live stream next time because yeah, it's fun. It's nice. It's a relaxing time, and maybe you relaxed watching this. If you did, subscribe if you want more, or don't if you don't want more. Yeah. So peace out, bye, and so on.